Yeah, come down the hall.
Daddy's gonna be there.
Oh, come over here. Can you blow a kiss into the camera nice and slow? Come. And go mwah, and blow a kiss. Okay, can you spin around? Stay there. Spin around. Do a twirl. Do a twirl. There you go. Good.
Daddy, wait. Daddy. I'm taking your picture. Mommy, what now?
Come here. You want to play hide and seek?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I go hide somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, here I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide in the playroom. Are you gonna come find me? Peekaboo! Did you find me? Yay! Is it your turn to hide?
Mommy.
Are you gonna hide somewhere? Where's Sophie gonna hide?
I'm gonna hide in the office next to Daddy.
Okay, go hide in the office.
Hi, Daddy. Hi. Daddy.
Where are you, Sophie?
Maybe we should put out these pictures so she doesn't step all over them.
Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
What are you doing, honey?
Hi, sweetie. Yeah, walk over to Daddy.
Hide.
Oops. Okay.
Hide again.
You want me to, what do you want me to do?
Hide again.
Okay, come give me a kiss first. Give me a kiss.
I want to see it.
You want to see? Okay, hold on. Let me turn it off.